pressure washers are very convenient, but I have something which is more convenient. That's a cordless pressure washer. Yeah, a lot of people have already normal pressure washer, but the main thing which prevents them from using it is because it's just too cumbersome. You need to attach it to a garden hose, you need to attach it to 110 volts, it's very heavy. And so there's now a really good solution for smaller jobs. Of course, it's not totally comparable to a normal corded pressure washer, but there are now very convenient cordless pressure washers around, like this PEDONY pressure washer for standard 20 volts DeWALT batteries, and so they are much easier to use. You can see the parts here. So of course we can connect it to a garden hose, but it's not needed. We can use the water from a river, from a pond, even from a pool, or just use a normal 5-gallon bucket, which is even easy to carry around with one hand. So you can hold pressure washer in one hand, you can hold the bucket in the other hand, and you are free to go anywhere. And so here's this device, really nice, solid build, and it's quite heavy. It's not just a toy. Solid metal connector here, also heavy trigger, and we get a filter which you can use in a bucket or in a pond or lake, and we get a nozzle which is easy to rotate with 6 different functions. We get even this cleaning bottle which you can use to add some detergent. Usually we use this to clean our cars. And we get instructions, manuals in a lot of different languages. But I mean, it's so easy to use, you don't really need that. Everything straightforward, and we get really everything. Comes even with a long braided water hose, and we get also this very convenient carry bag, so we can put really everything here inside, all the attachments. And of course there's also enough space for a standard DeWALT 20 volts battery, which is really the only thing which you have to bring on your own. Maybe one word regarding pressure. They are talking about 900 psi here, but there's no doubt about that it has less pressure than normal corded pressure washer. That's of course not possible to match the pressure, but on the other side there are other people claiming that such battery pressure washers do not have more pressure than normal garden hose, and that's definitely not true. I've been comparing a very similar model with a garden hose, and the garden hose did nothing to remove real dark spots from our tiles outside, and the battery pressure washer removed everything. So I'm here at the pool, need to do some cleaning after some guys have replaced the screen. They left a mess, and so I have to clean the beams now. So let's try and see how easy this works. So I have battery fully charged. So you align it here, just push it here inside. Yeah, definitely is ready to work. Yeah, come a little bit closer here to show you how to connect the hose. So we remove the nut here, put it over the hose. We don't have to go too far. I think that's already enough. And then we push it on top. Okay, so you can see we have it like that. And now we can secure it again. And on the other side, we add this water filter. So that prevents from rough stuff going into the hose and into the pump. And then we need to connect the nozzle. There's some opening up and down, so we align it with this part. You don't even have to look, just rotate and push a little bit down. You will easily find where it goes. Push it, just push it fully inside, and then twist it with a clockwise rotation. And then we can connect the hose. If you want to release it, we just pull here and pull it out. Super easy, fast connection. That's what we want to see. And so I could either use the hose directly from the pool, because we have too much water here inside anyway, that would be perfect. Or if we want to be able to walk around a little bit further, we can just fill it out from the pool or from the garden hose or wherever. I fill it up here to show how easy this works. And so we put the end with the filter here just inside, and then we choose the right nozzle, and we are already ready to go. And so let's see the different nozzles. And so we start with a 0 angle going up, then the 40 degrees angle, 25 degrees, 15 degrees,
and fully concentrated mist spray. And when we go fully concentrated, we can easily reach even the highest point of the pool cage, even though it's pretty high. And you can see the power here, how much power it has. Also at the entrance, a lot of dirt. And of course also car wash, a much easier task with such a cordless pressure washer. Very helpful to use something like wash and wax. We put a little bit here inside, doesn't take a lot. And so we fill it up with water, add the nozzle on top, secure it, remove the normal nozzle, add this one here, so we can wash much more efficiently. And the really cool thing is that after washing it, you can rinse it, for example, with reverse osmosis, purified water if you have such a filter, and then you do not get any spots on the car. That's impossible with a normal pressure washer.
Of course, we can't go at the same speed as with a normal corded pressure washer, but this is so much more convenient. So even though you might already have a corded pressure washer, I can highly recommend to get also such a pressure washer, because at the very end you'll figure out that you will use this one much more than the corded pressure washer. And so for me it has been working absolutely awesome, so full recommendation from my side. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing where you can buy it directly down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.